We meet wherever. Absolute negation and resistance, but also total enthusiasm and 100% sharing. And there are many different types of people in between. We've selected the 5 most common ones and tell you how to deal with them. Nihilist.
I'll tell you everything. I don't mind, If they fire me, I'll go somewhere else. I don't mind.
Expect only negative things. He'll exaggerate them and keep saying that it doesn't matter that you are doing an audit anyway because it's pointless and nothing will change in the end anyway. What he's really telling you is that the management doesn't listen to its people and has already broken the stick. That's a very difficult person to keep on the team. You have to think hard if you want him, and he's the key. It's hard to get him motivated again. You can do it, for example, by getting information from him about what should be improved and quickly making the change and then communicating to him that it was his idea and you put it in practice. Realist.
There are good things and bad things. It's everywhere the same. If only the major problems can be solved, it will be fine again. I think that.
As a rule, these are people who can think and like the team and the company. It's a shame to lose them, obviously. Tune into their wave. Feel them out and ask as many questions as you can. For example, what else do you have on your mind? Or can you describe the situation here in more depth? Get detailed, valuable information into your audit. Fake fool.
Actually, I think it's all good. Everything is fine. There are no problems. Yeah, I think it's all fine. There's nothing I can say about it.
Underneath the resistant veneer of the fake fool is something big that you want to reveal. You have to work with him slowly, calmly, get at least hints out of him. These people may be threatened, leveraged, hurt, or negativist.
I will tell you nothing, All this audit thing is just a sham. I will tell you nothing. Nothing.
Often our response is, okay, we'll look at each other for half an hour. And because phones aren't allowed in an audit, they really have to stare at you. If you ask a question in 5 minutes of devastating silence, they start talking slowly. They're not bad people. They're just had some bad experiences in the past. They've got trust issues. They just need to get over the wave of negativity and resistance smoothly. They are those who can tell you very important things. And there are also these who will tell you nothing. But that says a lot, right? Joker.
And you know what's the best? When my manager gives me task and I know he will not even check. It's completely useless.
We have a long established record of people who joke using this approach as a turnaround from a world they find absurd, horrible, irredeemable and unbearable. We need to communicate with those people in a different way to try to pull them back into their natural position. We do this by being more relaxed and sometimes joking so they feel they are in a safe environment. Within 10 minutes they gradually relax and return to their natural state. In the end, those people are a very good source of quality information. You meet many types of people. Some will even be a mix of what you've seen in this video. What I'm saying is that it doesn't make sense to take one approach to all people. You need to constantly adapt to the situation, to the particular person and their emotions. It's not uncommon for a person to cry on an audit and need a very sensitive approach. You will probably even have people shouting at you. At all times, keep in mind that you are not the target of their attack. You have just opened a door that has been closed for a long time, and that can bring out different emotions in a person. So even if someone yells at you or mocks you, it doesn't concern you. It's the emotions caused by their job, their manager, their troubles at home. Want to know more about HR audits? Check out audit/hr.com, where there's a whole book we've written about it and you can read it, and also it's available as an audiobook. Give us a like, click subscribe, and I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.